Hi Facebook family, Sarah Louise here. So I'm just out in the park walking Gizmo. So I'm hoping that the internet connection will be okay. I'm just on my mobile Wi-Fi, so fingers crossed it doesn't cut out. But I just wanted to give some helpful tips today when you're creating your Facebook Lives. So I just wanted to just give a few pointers from my perspective that I think may be able to help you. A lot of people struggle to know what to do on a Facebook Live, and I don't really believe that there's a right and a wrong. It's what works for you and your audience. It doesn't always have to be about business. It can be about whatever you want to share with your audience. So it could be something personal with your family and friends. You could be at an event, you could be on holiday, or you may actually want to teach something. So the pointers I want to just give out today is, when you do a Facebook Live, do you want to educate on that Facebook Live? Do you want to inspire? Do you want to motivate? Do you want to entertain? So you need to plan before you get in front of the camera and think, what do I want to achieve today from this Facebook Live? And then you need to think about a topic that you want to cover if you want to actually talk, because you need to remember the power of a Facebook Live is it can be seen worldwide and get you viral exposure. So everything you create on Facebook, whether it's a Facebook Live or a Facebook post, you want to be creating content that is shareable, content that connects with people here. It either makes them laugh, it makes them feel good about themselves, it makes them feel as though they've connected with you on an emotional level, where you've either tapped into something like a pain or struggle, or you're making them feel good about themselves and they've found you humorous, they've found you enjoyable. That's what gives you that likability factor. And the more people like you, the more they will come back to your page on a regular basis to see your content. So think about the time that you put into a Facebook Live. You may be on there for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I've even done some as long as like 45 minutes. But the value you can give on those is absolutely key to the success of your brand, because if you say something powerful that your audience connect with, they will share that Facebook Live on their profile, they'll share it with their team, they'll share it to groups. That's then what gives you viral exposure, because then that's new eyeballs on your video that have never ever seen you before, probably never heard of you before. And then when it's shared to them, you've got to think about then all of their Facebook friends see it. Now, if people have got thousands of Facebook friends that are your target audience who you haven't connected with yet, these are potentially then all new people that are being exposed to you in a positive light. So think about what you can talk about on a Facebook Live that's going to make you stand out from the crowd. Don't just be random. Don't think, I'm just going to post this just for the sake of posting something. Post with intent and post for a reason. But you always want to have in the back of your mind, what can I talk about today that's going to get people engaging with me? You need to create things that people want to respond to. They either want to share it, they want to write comments, they want to inbox you. It's that call to action that you always want. I'm not here pitching anything. I'm not here selling anything. I'm just being me. I'm just letting people into my world of what I do. I'm here walking my dog in the park. It's nothing exciting, but yet I'm still showing you that I'm able to work from my smartphone in the middle of a field. I've got my time freedom, I've got my location freedom, and yet this one video will generate me so many more fresh leads into my business. Yet I'm doing something enjoyable like walking my dog in the park. So think about your next video or next set of videos and think about how you can connect more with your target audience and what you want to achieve from those videos. So don't make your content to try and appeal to everybody and anybody. You want your content to appeal to your target audience so that they watch you and think, yes, she's talking to me. It wants to be so powerful that they think that you're talking to just that one person, which is them. If you're then talking to a target audience of hundreds of those people, and then as you grow in your skill set, they become thousands of people, that's what makes your brand very, very strong, because people are remembering you for the right reasons. So just take these helpful little tips away with you, and don't feel like you've got to be a superstar or earning loads of money or have a huge following or, you know, be super successful to have an impact on these videos. I have done these now for nearly about 9 months. I've been doing these Facebook Lives for, and I'm far from perfect, but I don't ever try and be perfect on them, because if you try and be perfect, you're not relatable. But if you're unperfect and you're still helpful and you're approachable, that's what people love about you, because they think, well, if she can do it, so can I. So here I am shaking because it's so cold in a park, but it doesn't matter, because it's what I'm saying out of here that matters. So you don't need a fancy backdrop, you don't need to be all glamorous with your best outfit on. Just literally have the balls to just get in front of the camera and do a Facebook Live. And if you haven't done one yet, I highly encourage you to do one. And if there's enough of you that want to get together next week and do a Facebook Live challenge, I'm more than happy to give you the content for next week, starting Monday to Friday. I can give you a topic to talk about, no charge, absolutely free. But if you're really wanting to start doing Facebook Lives and you feel like you need some help, then just put the word Facebook Live in the comment box below, and then I'll get a group of you together and I'll give you some helpful tips ready for you to get out your comfort zone next week. So thanks everyone for watching, I do appreciate it, and as always, feel free to share this or tag somebody in that you feel as though may benefit from these tips. Have a great day, bye!